Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing. I bought myself another power bank, or myself for once I bought myself another power bank. I always have a power bank with me, and since everybody knows this, 90% of the time that my power banks are being used, it's for others. And that's because I have, as I said, I have always had a power bank with me. I'm so old that with my own old Bang Olufsen phone, I used to have spare batteries with me. And after that, when I had my Ericsson, my power bank was with AAA batteries. And I used to sell power banks. And this was way before this whole Pokemon Go thing. So everybody knows that I always have a power bank with me. And my daily power bank today is this one, recharge with GP. I think it's a 10,000 milliamperes. Yeah, but I feel it's sort of heavy, especially to have with me as a daily. So let's see what it weighs. 250 grams, which is minor cable that doesn't weigh anything, but 250 grams, 244. And that's a lot to have with me. And when I take a power bank with me for my own sake, I use it in my everyday carry bag when I'm on an event or something. And I think this one will be just good enough. So this is not something new. The Anker Nano power bank has been out for almost a year, I think. And I've been looking for it from time to time. The only reason why I bought it now was because it was on sale on Amazon for $30 instead of $50. And why it was interesting for me was because I saw that this was a power bank light enough for me, for my own sake. So let's see what it weighs first of all. 100 grams. Okay, so a bit heavier than I expected, but still less than half the weight of this one. So I usually say that a 10,000 milliampere power bank charges your phone fully, 100%. And since I never let my phone go down to zero before I charge it, I usually say that this will charge my phone 1.5 times. And it has 4 outlets, so you can charge several things. This one, 5,000 milliamperes. I've seen tests where it charges your phone 60%. And that is good enough for me because I usually, when I'm at the computer, I have it plugged in. When I'm in bed, I have it plugged in. When I'm in my car, I have it plugged in for Apple CarPlay. So my phone is more or less always charged. It's just sometimes when I'm at an event or something, when I've been doing interviews with my phone, I just want something small to have with me between the outlets because I always have a real charger and a cable with me. So I think this will be good enough. And you can charge your phone, you plug it in under your phone. I'm using my phone to film. And you charge this with the cable that comes with it, plug it in on the side, or you just plug it in the outlet like that, and you charge it like that. So I'm guessing that it has pass-through charging. So when I'm at the hotel at night or something, I can have this plugged in my phone and have the charger plugged in the power bank and charge both the power bank and the phone at the same time. Yeah, I think so. And it charges 2 devices at the same time if you want that. So you can charge in and out with both outlets. So you can charge your own phone and another phone with the cable plugged in. That's just how I am. I always think of helping others. And since you can use your new iPhones to charge other items, you can do the same with this. So yeah, I think that's it. 100 grams. Let me check one more time with the cable just for fun. 114 grams with the cable, 102 without it. A little bit heavier than I thought, but 100 grams isn't much. This one, 250 grams, that is just a bit much to have with me in my sling bag. It's slim and nice, and I like it, and it's powerful, but a bit heavy. So yeah, I chose the green one, but I think in real life it was sort of boring. I thought it was going to be a lot more green, more powerful in the color. Otherwise, I could just have chosen the green or the black one instead. So yeah, green. And that's it. So I say that 5,000 milliamperes charges your phone 50% just to keep it easy, but that's not true. I've seen tests where it charges at least 60%, but just to keep it easy. 5,000 milliamperes is 50%, 10,000 is 100%, depending on your phone. But this will never fully charge your phone, no matter how small your phone is. Anker, mini, whatever, yada, yada, yada. Let's try it out.